Steel tapes are essential measuring tools widely used in construction, carpentry, and DIY projects. Steel tapes offer several key advantages that make them a preferred choice for construction professionals. In this video we will be discussing why steel tapes are essential in construction and DIY. A buyer's guide. First on the list is high precision for large-scale projects. When working on large-scale projects such as building foundations or structural framing, precision is critical. Steel tapes maintain their accuracy even over long distances, ensuring that every measurement is exact and reducing the risk of costly mistakes. Secondly, versatility in various environments, outdoor, industrial, etc. Steel tapes are built to withstand harsh working conditions, whether it's an outdoor construction site, an industrial facility, or a home workshop. Their ability to endure extreme temperatures, moisture, and physical stress makes them suitable for any environment. Thirdly, long lifespan compared to other measuring tools. While fiberglass or plastic tapes may degrade over time, steel tapes are designed for longevity. Their sturdy construction and resistance to wear mean that they can provide accurate measurements for years, even with regular use. Fourthly, safety features, rounded edges, locking mechanisms. Many steel tapes are designed with safety in mind, featuring rounded edges to reduce the risk of cuts or injuries. Locking mechanisms help keep the tape extended without snapping back, making it safer and easier to use during long measurements. Steel tapes are an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts, providing unmatched durability, precision, and versatility. With the help of this video, you now understand why steel tapes are essential in construction and DIY. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on why steel tapes are essential in construction and DIY, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.